And that breaking news is in Orange County, where a judge just weighed in on a funding fight between Orange County and the supervisor of elections. I'm Jesse Pagan.
Good afternoon. I'm Nancy Alvarez. Both sides are still at odds over money the county is keeping from Supervisor Glenn Gilzean. West 2's Justin Shecker has been following this back and forth from the very beginning. And you have more, Justin, on what the judge decided here.
Jesse and Nancy, good afternoon to you both. Today, the judge sided with Orange County and denied a motion from Glenn Gilzean's attorney. This means there won't be a resolution in court before the December 27th payday here at the elections office, but county leaders say they took action last night to make sure those employees get paid next week. Outgoing supervisor of elections Glenn Gilzean took Orange County to court asking a judge to compel the release of the funding commissioners voted to withhold from his office.
They're saying, look, let's run out the clock. They're telling the world that their whole strategy here is to wait till there's a new supervisor of elections to fund this office. Well, that is a tragedy.
Gilzean's attorneys filed a motion to shorten the timeline for the county to respond to the lawsuit in hopes the judge will be able to issue an order before Christmas. Attorneys for Orange County Comptroller Phil Diamond argued against that after the commissioners voted Tuesday night to disperse $250,000 directly to the payroll company for next week's employee paychecks.
There is no urgency. The employees will be taken care of, and there would be prejudice to the defendants if they were forced to respond in an untimely fashion.
By the own admission of the elections office comptroller in a court filing, Gilzean bank accounts are in the red by more than $782,000.
Bottom line is that we're in a predicament where we lack funding to not only meet payroll and employee expenses, but also vendor expenses. And we have due dates for payroll and expenses next week.
Mayor Jerry Demings and county officials have raised concerns over Gilzean's spending since learning about the $2.1 million scholarship fund he set up with Valencia College. The commissioners voted on December 3rd to freeze the funding for the elections office.
The context is this current supervisor of election has mismanaged his funding, and the fact that he has already been given half of his current fiscal year budget is significant, Your Honor.
On Monday, Comptroller Phil Diamond released his 12-page report that found Gilzean's spending, while effectively a lame duck supervisor, violated multiple Florida statutes. Gilzean denies any wrongdoing. Diamond says Gilzean misspent the $1.1 million he wired to the Central Florida Foundation to facilitate a grant program.
The solution is either rescind some of those donation contracts and get that money back, or allow Orange County and the comptroller to directly pay ADP as their payroll provider, and the board has already agreed to make that direct payment.
And the funding draw the county withheld from the elections office in December is around $957,000. Appointed by Governor DeSantis back in March, Supervisor Gilzean's last day in this office is January 6th. Supervisor-elect Karen Castor-Dental's term begins on January 7th. Covering Orange County Live in Orlando, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.